Once you run and adjust your traverse, you can create a traverse report. Now you can do that right from the adjust traverse panel, where I can click on this icon here and it will create that report, or you could go to the command pane and search for adjust traverse report, and you'll be able to run it from that command pane as well. So if I go F12 and I type in, traverse, you'll see that there's a traverse adjustment report, and I can run that command. Now I'm just going to run it from the, I'm going to click on adjust traverse here, and I'm going to run it from here. And by doing so, it's going to create that report. You can see that I've already done it on this panel, and the report provides you with the information about your report, all your reduced horizontal distances before the adjustment, the horizontal adjustments, vertical adjustments, and even a printout of your actual traverse loop. You can print and save this right from here. I can save it to an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF document or a Word document, or I can send it to a printer.